Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. This na the ogbonge politic action film when we dey carry come for the language when everybody understand. To talk am as the team be them for body. Today on top of us see the hot, we don't carry matter when we say they comot smoke. Wetin be this matter? The former Minister of Petroleum between 1984 and 1985, Professor David-West, wey be the very good guy of Oga Buhari, come out, come beat in chest, tell the full Nigeria say, he believe say Oga Buhari go reduce the price of fuel to 40 naira. Not be joke at the joke. It's okay. Say he go reduce the price of fuel to 40 naira. Why people talk say this talk when they talk, just they talk because they find political appointment. Another man can't confirm am that now the chairman of the people when me say that they do fuel business for Ogun State branch. He come out, Oga Adeleke come talk and say yes, they feel reduce the price of fuel to 40 naira. People come wear recommended glass, they look this matter talk say all this talk that they are talking say they go reduce price of fuel to 40 naira. Make it not begin to raise the hope of the ordinary Nigerian. No, sake of say if Oga Buhari can enter, he can't be like say the thing get K-leg. People go begin to talk say, hey, now you promise, now you talk, now you no talk. On top of us see the hot today, we go chook mouth for the matter to look this talk of 40 naira to see as the thing be as it dey hot. My name is Ezugu Chukwudi.
Yes, I'm my own name now, Nkubi, and welcome to Ask It Dey Hot. For today will be Tuesday. As usual, we'll go open our phone line very, very soon for our viewers to do it to also chook mouth for the matter. And make them also forget, say, we get 3 solid telephone lines for now. Oh, that is all we nakuna. And for now to do it until they call us. I'll call also do it in dash now. 1 toll-free line. Wait till be toll-free line. Or now go they call, now go they talk, now go express na feeling. Talk as it been for body. And then the payment to call. Now Now we will take charge of that one. Welcome to Ask It Dey Hot.
We also dey on top of every social media platform. We dey on top of Facebook. We dey on top of Twitter. And we get website where if you send us email, make I give you the address of the Twitter handle at TV Ask It Dey Hot. And the website where if you send us email now askitdeydeyhot at wazobiatv.tv. All your own opinion, what do you think? All the suggestion when if you give us, knock them on top of there. We go carry them, come on top of the show, call drop and make the full Nigeria see as the thing they go. Could be no time to waste time.
No time to waste time.
David-West talk. First and foremost, I respect Professor David-West because I go cough. You know, easy to just become professor, especially of virology for inside Nigeria. Person will say they study virus. They don't know the way the thing they go. But this matter of petrol for this Nigeria, where we say cabal, I go still talk cabal day. Cabal day. The issue of subsidy payment, they cause problem. And the oil marketers, they flex their muscle inside this country. We know say the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, many of the mistakes when we say all the other governments don't do for this country since 1960. He tries settle them and we don't see progress and development. But coming out to talk say they go reduce price of fuel to 14 naira without adding a caveat. What it be caveat? Letting Nigerians know say this thing when they talk, it take a lot more than just ordinary mouth to talk am. No raise the hope of Nigerians. Because when our emotions don't rise like Gary Jebu, we can't see say the thing no be as the thing be. It go cause problem. Nkubi, I help me one now.
2 things are involved. And what are these 2 things involved? Now, Oga Tam David-West, and there's a Tam David-West. Now he come out talk. No be Oga Buhari. 1. And in now also retired the minister. So make we also look at it, say he study virus. And he also can't get experience for when it comes to petroleum matter. You never can tell. Maybe he don't check and don't do your own research. Say, going by the amount of crude oil where they run into millions, where they produce every day. Say, going by that and going by the kind of funds where they generated from them. What will stop them from not saying, okay, we'll go do it, we'll go slash down the money of fuel for Nigerians at 40 naira. I don't say anything wrong. But because of say, hold on, because of say, the talk never come out from the horse's mouth himself. Make us still do it, make us still put on one side.
We don't feel put them aside.
Because, okay.
We don't feel put them aside.
I go check them under assumption in case, and what if it can't happen? Because Oga Buhari, now Pt.1 I know say they stand by your word. If you come and talk, say yes, I will slash down the price of fuel to 40 naira. Nothing can stop it. And if you slash and down, it will not still change the development that Nigerians they crave for.
Thank you very much.
Nigerians
are the only they talk and say make we avoid argumentum ad ignorantium. That is arguing from the point of ignorance.
People that are saying that have come out to say like something like this, Prof. The video don't come and talk say look. Yeah, say Muhammad Buhari go slash down. So So if you say they argue from the point of argumentum ignorantum.
Now you talk that one. I go
no, that is what you're trying to drive
when
at.
Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, former president of this country, come out, talk say, even if Angel Gabriel they come conduct election for Nigeria, say we don't fit get free and fair election. What a lot of Nigerians talk. When people when they certain positions, when we say we they look up to with the respect, if they make certain statement, it is capable of causing what I call confusion.
Did
but good luck, Jonathan no organize free and fair election for this country.
The same thing applies to the fuel matter. Yes, the same thing where it applies to we go see experience. There's every tendency, there's every possibility that this person we will know of, Muhammadu Buhari, will say once when he was in power, we not experience any increase for fuel price. Has the opportunity, the level, the condition, and going by experience to bring down the price.
These are two different. These are two different.
What are you saying? What are two different things?
Obasanjo make this statement when he say in the reign as president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in they control the machinery of the state to use the ensure say we get credible election for this country. Now I make this statement. But when Goodluck Ebele Jonathan come for 2011, remember say he was acting president. He come and talk and say we can have credible elections in Nigeria. We see example for 2011. Oga Jega come, he purge the register. People campaign. Oga Jonah win the election. From there we can't see credible elections for different states. Even you admit, say for Edo State where APC win the election, they free and fair. All the states where we say APC win, you come out here and tell us say they free and fair. But the one where we say una lose. Now you talk say no dey free and fair. Come see the example when he said for 2015 elections. So we are talking about structures, putting institutions in place. No be make person come out, call the tell Nigeria say you go sell fuel for 14 naira. Now ordinary mouth when you know say certain things never dey in place. Come raise the hope of Nigerians. If you don't sell the fuel for 14 naira, Nigeria will go begin to talk say, hey, Oga Muhammadu Buhari don't fail. Make I take you back quickly. Remember say people talk say when Oga Buhari dey campaign, say he go reduce the dollar from it go be 1 naira to $1. Remember say this man no talk that thing. But some people talk.
How you take put am? Say him talk, say then talk, say him talk, say thank God say you talk, say then talk, say him talk, say no be from the horse's mouth himself. Hold on.
No be you dey come here talk say there is truth in every rumor. No be you don't talk as
and what if there is truth in it? As long as they never come out and talk. Let us still wait and see what happens.
Una never
as long as they never come out talk
mouth.
Okay, this is somebody who say.
Una never enter. Una don dey change mouth. Nigerians, can you see?
Will you allow me talk?
We talk.
Will you allow me talk?
Tell them the truth.
What truth?
The truth.
That Oga David-West talk say, look, there's every tendency that if Oga Muhammadu Buhari come into power, that he go do it, he go slash down the price of fuel to 40 naira.
Explain how it is
for your
possible.
Explain
how it is possible.
Because we are a nation that we provide oil. We produce oil.
Not every one. For 40 naira. And you not tell us how to do it. Our refinery is the power.
And what if this slash? And what if this slash is an internal slash? Say, okay, for Nigeria as a whole, for my country, I want to slash down the price of fuel to 40 naira. But what now they sell them abroad? The normal price will go sell at the international body, go still remain the price. So what are you saying?
You go just come out, come talk, say you want slash fuel to 40 naira. But wait till you go to start to international body. Young man, it is not like that.
Don't ever refer to, don't come, we can disrespect with that. Don't ever come, young man. Address me the way they address me. What is young man? I don't like it. I won't take that from you. Let us address this issue and stop taking it personal.
Because I call you young man.
I don't like it. Do I look young to you?
Okay.
I might be young, but then I am older than you, perhaps. So mind how you address me.
You don't take this argument as fight.
No, you started it. Now
because I said young man, you don't come.
I have the right to refer to as young man. But you know, never come. If you come in another thing, it could be any other thing, but don't just use that term on me. You are making me stutter even. I don't like it.
Can I call you elder?
Don't call me elder. I don't want elder. I'm not as old as.
You must take one. Is that you take elder or you take young man?
Look for something else.
I will give you. Okay, let me call you younger. Young man elder, youngest elder. Thank you very much.
In between, no wahala. I can accept that.
Youngest elder.
So as they talk, Chukudi, see, I still stand on the fact, say, look, going by the experience we don't see under the leadership of Oga Muhammadu Buhari when he did power.
As a soldier man.
And going by the fact,
as
the former PTF chairman, going by in series of development under that sector when he was chairman, Chukudi, I won't be surprised if he comes into power tomorrow and slash down the price of fuel to 40 naira.
Thank you very much. Oga General Muhammadu Buhari was soldier man president.
This man
from 1983 to 1985.
For information, he is very, very transparent in his policies.
Plenty things don't change. Remember the cabal when I talk about it. The people when they claim say they be oil marketers.
Let me now make it very clear.
They control things
when you say something has changed, okay, this is a typical example of it not change. Okay, so far we don't get series of increase for fuel price right from when we don't enter when Nigeria don't start. We had one in 1972 under 1978 under under Olusegun Obasanjo retired. Okay, we can also get one in 1982 under Alhaji Shehu Shagari. We get one between 1990 to 93. We witnessed 3 different even up to 4 under Muhammad, that is IBB. Okay, we can also witness one in 1994 under Chief Ernest. I mean, in 19 years, under Chief Ernest.
Who could be you? Hold on. Not call here. They give me this. They confuse Nigerians. We are talking about the reality on ground. Our refineries are not performing up to maximum capacity. And you can come in to tell Nigerians that you reduce the price of oil to 40 naira.
This is what I'm trying to drive at.
David-West, the president.
This is what I'm trying to drive at. Listen to me and listen to what I'm
campaigning for the president-elect?
This is it.
How is that possible?
This is what I'm trying to drive at. Will you listen to me? This in between the era of OBJ and to the era of Shagari, we saw increase. When Oga Muhammad Buhari entered, there was nothing like an increase. Immediately he come out for power. And under that same government, we witnessed what they call development. The refineries were being built. The price of fuel was not increased.
Who could
the currency, the Nigerian currency level was so stable to the point.
To judge wetin dey happen now.
Wetin dey talk?
Design analysis Madrid don come out don talk say the big toes when they run things inside the petroleum industry, they don't allow these policies to function. That is what we are talking about. That is what we are talking about. Under the administration of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, we don't see stability in the sense say all the long queues when they happen, we know they see them again. But you must look at the subsidy regime. I tell you of Kaba, people when we say that they run things inside the oil industry, then they try to spoil the work of government. That's what I'm talking about.
The fact that we know
that is what we are talking about.
The fact that we know they experience long queue. Now what I want to take, distract, confuse Nigeria. What has that got to do with you slashing down the price of fuel? You making sure that look, the fuel they affordable. When you be oil producing state country, what are you saying? Now what they chop long queue?
Make we go back.
The first long queue. Now what they chop?
Make we go back to 1999 when we return to democratic rule. I don't even want to follow you talk about military.
How many
because people when we lost as military people.
How many series
these people that usurp democratically elected government and they suspended the constitution. I don't want to talk about the military government. From 1999
how many series of increase we get?
Make we look the subsidy structure we get for this country. You understand? We don't get system when we say. Even people when they for government, they don't, and people when we say they claim say they be opposition, that they tackle government. All these people, that they chop from the same pots. But we don't see administration when we don't show the will, the desire, the zeal, the commitment to fight against the cabal when they run things inside this country.
The cabal,
you are going to
the cabal when they talk of
gradually.
Chukudi,
you cannot come out and be campaigning for the president-elect. How can you? Former petroleum minister just come out and say they go reduce price of fuel to 40 naira. How is that possible? Without expect to Nigeria that we need to repair our refineries.
What is not possible? Don't tell me it's not possible.
Are working.
Don't tell me it's not possible.
Is it
the first subsidy they say they remove. Where are the elements? Where are the visibility of the first subsidy they release?
We are going to dismantle these structures little by little.
That's what we are saying.
That's what we are saying. Dismantling the structures little by little.
Hey,
who be the people when they collect this money? Who be the people when they chop the oil money?
Ask your people. Which people? Very soon we'll be addressing the issue of the audit when they release very soon by NNPC. Just hold on. But now that topic. Now there we go know where we go open nyash. People just go open code to know the kind of amount of money we don't go.
When your opening argument, you come out here talk say that statement is the statement of Professor Oga Tam David-West, two of us.
And what if I said,
thank you very much.
What if it comes alive?
How can you come out
it comes into power
and say categorically and emphatically so? Because you be former petroleum minister, say you beat your chest. You dey very sure say they go reduce the price of fuel to 40 naira.
But Adeleke,
say they go reduce the price of fuel to 40 naira.
It might be reduced.
You don't forget, say Adeleke even go further to explain. Say based on the way when our refinery is there now, we need to do some more work. Refinery is not the work. You just come and talk say you go reduce it to 40 naira. These people are making it look like
under whose government?
They make it look like say
under whose government do you experience
if General Muhammad Buhari
the build of refineries
from working. This
Yes.
Professor Tam David-West came out in 1990. I hope say you don't say this Professor Tam David-West. They arrest him under Babangida regime. Then try him. They talk say the man, he dey spread some kind gist, he dey do some kind backyard runs. The man, he trace back the problem we dey get for this our country back to the military era. And even even our papa we don't win election to na military man.
No. For your sake, I need to go do it. I need to go re-strategize.
I am firing you.
You are not.
You need to re-strategize.
Because I'm hitting you with big points. I'm not drink water before I come out.
Big points.
Let me quickly go for this break.
You don't drink water. Now you don't drink water. I will finish you with points.
I will finish you with points.
Nigerians will see.
No, I will finish you.
I will
go for break.
I will talk the truth.
What I say.
Hear you.
Don't give me that one.
You.
Don't give me that one.